Так мы сейчас с вами уже находимся в Хогвартсе. И этот запах я помню еще много-много лет назад. Его ни с чем нельзя перепутать, потому что это факультет Пуффендуй, где деканом является Аня Лисковская. Их отличает упорство, ну и, конечно же, интересные танцевальные движения. Они вот такие магические. А на самом деле так ли это? Мы прямо сейчас узнаем. Встречайте!
One, two, three, go. Sierra. Sierra.
Your touch is so magic to me. The strangest things can happen. The way that you react to me, I wanna do something you can't imagine. Imagine if it was a million degrees, talking sexy to you like that. You think you can handle, boy? If I give you my squeeze and I need you to push me right back, baby, show me what's your favorite trick that you wanna use on me, and I'm volunteer, and I'll be going and going till clothing disappears and nothing but shoes on me. Oh baby, always sure just you in the crowd, do what you should never see, and I bet that I can make you believe in love and sex and magic. So let me try my body around you. I bet you know me, 'cause you know that I can make you believe in love and sex and magic. Got a bed, ain't your name on it. Ain't your name on it. Got a kiss, ain't your name on it. Ain't your name on it.
$1,000 sheets, waiting for you on some $1,000 sheets. I got caught at 3 on repeat. Back shots to the beat of the on you. Got me acting like you got a milli on you. You say I'm the GOAT, need a Billy on you. I can make all your dreams come true. Wanna fall through, then you better come true. Come true.
Don't make me wait until the morning. No more, no more. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. But I like to party. But I got nobody here on my own. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Since the day we parted. But I got nobody, so I do it so low.
Пуффендуй, Аня Лисковская и ее волшебники.